In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make $100 a day with no money. If you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Building My Economy, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I share opportunities to make money online, such as affiliate marketing, freelance, side hustles, and online jobs. So if you are interested in any of these topics, go ahead and subscribe, and then also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we're gonna go ahead and dive into this video. And before we do, I just want to congratulate the winner for yesterday's giveaway. And if you want me to keep on doing more giveaways, please get this video to 100 likes, and I'm gonna start doing a giveaway for every single month once this video gets to 100 likes. And before we dive into this video, if you are interested in building a passive income stream online to where you can eventually stop trading your time for money all the time, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the video. This is the first company that I wanted to share with you today. If you are interested in coming and taking a look at the companies yourself, go ahead and scroll down and tap or click on the link provided in the description below this video, and you will be directed to this website. Okay, so Recruit and Field is the first company, and company is available nationwide. And if you scroll down, you're going to be able to see some information that they provide, but this is mostly for their clients. Now, what we're going to go ahead and do is go to where it says participants. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and click where it says participants, and that is going to provide us with the information that we need. Now here it does talk a little bit about the company and stuff, and here it provides the option for you to register. You can even ask a question if you do. They do share some companies that they work with and some testimonials down here, and they explain how it works and stuff. They have more testimonials from their team members. Now, what I'm interested in showing you is how you can actually make money with this company. This is a market research company to where you get paid to give your opinion for a product. Okay, and like it says, this is what it states right here. It says get paid for your opinion. Okay, so that's basically what this company offers. And I did look at the information, however I didn't see much information here, but what I found on their Facebook page was super exciting, and that's what I wanted to share. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Facebook right here, and once you come to their Facebook page, you're gonna be able to see the projects that they have available. For instance, this one, the topic is workplace coffee solution and machines, is available nationwide. The pay is $200, and if you click see more, this is how much time it requires. It's about 90 minutes long, and you're gonna get paid about $200. So that's how you can make $200 in less than 2 hours. And if you keep on scrolling down, you're going to be able to see this one. It's for the topic is pet and food, and you can make $125 for a total of 90 minutes as well. So yeah, this is how you can make money using this website. It's basically a product research. You provide your opinion and they pay you for that. Okay, so if you're interested in any of this, like I said, I will be leaving the link to this website in the description below this video, so you can click on it. Just make sure you come and you find this link right here. You can even on Twitter and Instagram. And we're gonna go ahead and move on to the second company. Okay, this is the second company, and it's called User Interviews. If you are interested in learning about the company, you can scroll down and read some testimonials and stuff like that. However, I don't want to focus on that. I want to go ahead and just get the information on how you can earn money. So it says right here, this is for people who are looking to who are looking to do some research, and here is for participation for participants. So it says earn money participating, get paid to give feedback on new products. And once you click on that, that's going to provide you the information that you need to know. And if you are interested in becoming a participant, you can create your profile here, and once you scroll down, it shows you how it works. Okay, and they do have some testimonials here of real people who have worked for, or who have done a project for this company. And if you scroll down, you're gonna be able to see some examples. It says help us test our new travel app. You can earn about $125 an hour. Okay, and it tells you if it's in person, if it's remote session, multi-sessions, and stuff like that. Now, if you want to take a look at other studies that they have available, they once you click on this link, this will provide you the all the studies that they have available at the moment, and you can even use the filters to narrow down your options. And you can see here they have, this one is 30 minutes, this one is 30 minutes. Imagine if you can complete this and this, that will be an hour of your time for $500. So yeah, definitely come take a look at this company. They have great opportunities available, but like I mentioned, the sad thing is that this is not something consistent. This is not something sustainable, not something that you can say, okay, I'm gonna make $75 every day or $250 every day just for 30 minutes. It's not something consistent. So if you are interested in start learning on how to build a sustainable passive income stream online to where you can eventually stop trading your time for money all the time, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. I will be sharing more details in regards to what I'm talking about there with you. And yeah, that is all that I have for today. If you found value in this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, leave us your comments, your questions. It helps this video a lot, and also it helps me understand that the content that I provided was helpful, so that I can keep on creating more content like this. Okay, so yeah, that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time. Stay safe, and until next time.